What's up? How's it going, friends? So today you want to learn how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify Rise theme. I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can remove it, and it's going to look just like this by the time you're done with this video tutorial. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta! Yeah. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to your online store and you want to come to themes, all right? And you want to come here. You can see the Rise theme down below here. You can see the Rise theme, okay, which is this. And you want to hit on customize. And the moment you hit on customize, you're going to land on the page just like this, which is the one you saw earlier. And the next thing you want to do is to come here to your header section. Once you come to header, as you can see, there is no feature here for you to toggle and remove the search icon. Some other themes like Horizon, they have it. But right here, what you want to do is to come here to Custom CSS, okay? And the moment you come here, you want to come here, you want to paste something, and that's all. And this right here is what you want to paste, okay? So you want to copy this and copy, and you want to paste, and I'm going to give you access to these doc, all right? And once you paste it, you can see it's gone, all right? So that is exactly how you can remove the search bar or the search icon from your Shopify Rise theme, all right? Then what we can do is you can also use custom liquid for this, all right? And for you to use custom liquid, we're just gonna go ahead, let's remove this, okay? Let's go ahead and remove all this, all right? And it's back, and I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna click on this add section, okay? And I'll click on add section, and I'm gonna click on custom liquid. And once I click on custom liquid, I'm gonna click on this, and right there, I'm gonna go ahead and paste this code here that says to remove using CL, and I will just copy that and I'll copy, and I come back and I'm gonna paste, okay? And right here you can see that the search icon or the search bar is gone. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify Rise theme. So if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, okay, and also turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this for you guys. And I'll see you in another video. Peace. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.